Here I have OPPO Pad 2, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it and can't even unlock your device now. So what can you do in this kind of situation? Firstly, you will have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then slide power off, and after your device turns off completely, hold down combination power key plus volume down at the same time like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see OPPO logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up, volume down. So in the following menu, select preferred language. I suggest you to use English. Then select format data, then enter verification code you get here, like you won't have this specific code, you will have your own unique one. So you just enter it, 4 digits, then tap format, and after a few seconds all the data from your device will be formatted. Then you have to restart it and it will be restarted in like a minute or two. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.